special earring. So this is a very easy way of making a earring and it is useful too. So before we start, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet, like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So let's get started. So for this activity, we need a green lump of clay, a white lump of clay, a blue lump of clay and an orange lump of clay. We also need a earring hanger. So the first step is that we should take the orange lump of clay and we should mold it so that it will form a triangle. So I'm pressing on it and I'm also pressing on the bottom part of it, like this. Next step is that I'm taking some white clay and I'm pressing on it to make a rectangle. Now I'm sticking it to the orange part, like this. So now I'm taking some green clay and I'm making a rectangle again. Then I'm sticking onto it. Now I'm pressing it on all the sides so that it gets stick well. Now I'm taking some blue clay and I'm making 2 circles from it. Now I'm pressing on the clay so that it will make a circle and I'm sticking it on the white part. Now I'm repeating the same step on the opposite side as well. Now I am taking the earring hanger and I am sticking it on top of the earring. So we have to press it in well so that it gets stuck well. So now our clay earring is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!